Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out using Gcash on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. All you have to do is go to your menu. Once in your menu, you are going to go to the right upmost corner in settings. Once in settings, go to withdraw from account. Once in withdraw from account, you are going to scroll down until you see Gcash. If you don't see Gcash, it means either your 1xBet is not up to date, either the country you're in doesn't permit you to make a withdrawal from Gcash. So those are the two factors. Or else you're going to see Gcash as withdrawal method.